Hey guys, so as you all know, me and JP recently moved in together last month.
It's been amazing and everything we dreamt it would be, except for one thing.
The bed. So we currently sleep on my full mattress.
And for those of you who don't know, I'm 6'5", so no pun intended, that's kind of a big problem.
But today we are so excited because we are receiving our Lull premium foam mattress and it's being delivered to our front door.
And we can't wait to share it with you guys.
So we just got done unboxing our Lull premium foam mattress and we are absolutely in love. It is so soft. It's like you're sleeping on clouds. And it's big enough for the both of us and it's so convenient. It was delivered straight to our doorsteps. So if you guys want a premium, high quality mattress, definitely check out our friends at Lull.